2 weeks, but in 3 weeks, we go in Philippines. Good afternoon, guys. Ayan, nakaprepare na ako ng lunch para sa amin. Hinintay na lang namin si Daddy kay andun pa siya sa city. Bumalik siya sa doktor, pinabalik siya. Okay naman yung abaga, hindi na daw masakit, magalaw-galaw niya na rin. Thanks God, kasi nga bago yung flight namin going to Pilipinas is naging okay rin yung shoulder niya, guys. And si Mama naman, okay na rin siya. Thanks God. So, mga pagsulay lang dyan sa kinabuhi, no? May pagsubok man o wala, guys, pasalamat pa rin tayo sa Panginoon. Ay, ang lakas pala ng hangin sa labas. Kahapon, sabi nila na babalik daw yung winter today. Okay naman sa labas, mainit siya. Wag lang tayo magtiwala sa weather dito sa Romania kay mahirap na. Yan, oh.
Hello guys, look my Tom and Jerry.
You drew that?
That. I watch it, guys.
Cheating?
Watch. No, watch.
Oh, ang galing naman ni Katyusha. Bravo, Ate Tusha.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
May nagtatanong kung mag-aaway ba daw si Edie at saka si Katyusha. Siyempre, guys, mga bata din yan. Dito na si Bogdan, guys. So, ayan, guys, kakarating lang ni Daddy. Galing siya sa city, no? Namili din siya.
Hello, doctor gave me again medical 2 weeks.
Really?
They are not allowed to go in work. Do not joke with this. He said if I go in work, never to come to him because this can come back. Need to be careful. And say to not do something with hand because not allowed. This hand need to be protected.
You come back again in doctor.
No, home, rest and treatment.
2 weeks, but in 3 weeks, we go in Philippines.
I come back in work like 3 days before Philippines. And I try one day to go with the car there 2 hours to solve something.
And he gave you a medicine again?
No.
To continue that treatment?
That because it was good.
He's very protective, doctor.
That, he said to protect the hand.
Is wala naman siyang problema sa bones. Nagpa-scan din kami. Sabi niya na bawal daw i-massage. Baka daw mo samot. Buti na lang hindi ko minassage, no? So, sabi niya, exercise lang, ganun. Exercise. Tapos, may gamot siyang binigay. Nagpunta din pala si Habi sa market. Ano to? Bumili siya ng maraming orange. Bumili rin si Habi yung paborito kong tinapay. What name of this?
For you, your favorite.
Fornite.
Fornite. They have only one look de mare. And for children, give this
I think nagtago yung dalawa.
favorite of Katyusha.
Sarap ng tinapay. Hindi ako kasi ako kumain ng
And the pasta
breakfast at saka lunch. Pinakaluto ako
I
doon
want
ng
the pasta
ulam.
naman.
Bumili sabi ng cheese para sa
And
aking
this is
ganan.
for us. This is very masarap.
Ito yung cheese nila dito, guys. Bumili rin sabi ng isda. Ayan. Hotdog, chicken.
Doon.
Masarap, balon-balunan. Tapos atay ng manok. Lagay natin to sa basement tong mga juice. Masaya na rin talaga ako, guys, kasi si Habi nag-stop na siyang uminom ng soft drinks. Ito, manok.
Stai puțin, Katyusha, așteaptă mami.
Pumili rin sabi ng grapes, guys, oh. Ayan. What is this, pig?
That is for Papa, Tobe.
Papa?
Tobe.
Ay, Lord. Karnats, Romanian sausage, pastrama.
That is for us, my lord. This is not why.
Tingnan si Katyusha, namasyo na, oh. Kahit hindi inutusan.
Here's Joba. Here's for Calderita.
Edi!
May pasalubong si Daddy.
Edi, haide! Ia uite!
Statiți un pic.
Mhm. So, thank you so much, guys, for the support sa YouTube namin at saka sa Facebook page, Instagram. So, we love you all sa lahat ng mga followers at saka viewers namin. Stay tuned!